Hello, I'm Dan Vlamis.
And I'm Tim Vlamis.
We're going to tell you a little bit about our online learning course from O'Reilly taking place on February 11th on Enterprise Data Visualization, Executive Dashboards, and Managerial Displays. We'd love to have you all sign up for it. So you'll find more information on that at www.vlamis.com/O'Reilly, and you can sign up for this course, and registration closes on February 10th. On that same page, you'll be able to see a full abstract of it, but we just want to give you a preview of some of the stuff that we're going to talk about.
I think, Dan, what's important to recognize is that we're really talking about enterprise systems in this course.
Yeah.
We're not talking about just desktop data visualization.
And it's really kind of tool agnostic.
Yeah, tool agnostic, and we'll go through a lot of our experience in terms of working with various clients and large organizations. Right. So we will talk about the foundations of data visualization and how we base our practices on human cognition and actual research from scientists. We'll go through the rationale as to why we recommend certain things and don't recommend other things. We'll talk quite a bit about the decision-making process from a framework perspective and kind of set things up, again, in terms of why we do things and recommend things and not others. We'll go through all kinds of decision-making and go forward. It's fine. And then, of course, the differences between when you use graphs and when you use tables and what the best practices are for using either one of them, and actually how you design effective tables for lookup and how you design effective graphs for showing patterns.
So we'll talk a little bit about also in any dashboard, it's important to figure out what colors you want to have in here. So this is just an example of a dashboard that we have, but we're using several different tools, including one that we recommend that people use called I Want Hue. Go ahead.
So I Want Hue is it's a tool that was built for data science. We use it for business intelligence and analytics. And basically what we're doing here is we're creating an equally balanced palette. What's really nice about this tool is, of course, you get your hex codes and whatnot, but you also get the JavaScript. So if you want to embed it in one of your development projects or whatnot, you have that. So we'll go through this as well as some other tools.
We'll go through kind of some material on various visual discovery and analytic techniques that we can use.
Yeah, so there's a difference between designing for an audience and telling a visual story, if you will, versus actually designing interfaces for discovery and actually uncovering a new insight. So we'll go through some of the differences in that and talk about the techniques and whatnot that we use. Mm-hmm. This is an example of a very, very dense dashboard or set of visualizations. Dan, if you can bring
I'll bring it up here. Is what it looks like live.
So here we're doing some analysis on sales and the difference between sales a year ago. And so you can see all of these are linked, and most of the major products now allow you to link visualizations and kind of carry insights across one visualization to another. So if we're looking and we're seeing that we're way down in services on installation, we can see, okay, what divisions are those occurring in and what geographies and whatnot. But we'll go through the process of how we actually choose different visualizations and lay this out and whatnot.
It becomes important also, there's plenty of material on how to design static displays, but what's missing sometimes in the market is some of this stuff on dynamic displays and how it changes how you design these types of things when you do that. So join us on February 11th for Enterprise Data Visualization course from O'Reilly. Called Enterprise Data Visualization, Executive Dashboards, and Managerial Displays. You'll find more information at www.vlamis.com/O'Reilly. And if you sign up, there's a 10-day trial that you can start with. You get a free 10-day trial. You can start with this course if you sign up a little bit after February 1st. And then if you find it's great, you can continue with other O'Reilly courses. We look forward to seeing you.
See you then.